Hello everyone, today we're going to make smoky flavored chicken curry, also known as chicken Angara. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. We're going to begin by preparing fresh Garam Masala. In a pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 3 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, and 18 to 20 black peppercorns. We're going to dry roast this for 30 to 60 seconds. Remove from flame before it changes color. Grind into a fine powder. Take 2 tomatoes and 2 fried onions and blend into a paste. I have taken 1 kilo of chicken. To it, I'm adding half cup of yogurt or dahi, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Add the garam masala that we prepared. Add 2 teaspoons of salt or as desired, 1/8 teaspoon of red food color, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or add as per your spice preference, 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding the tomato and onion paste. Mix everything together nicely. Place a bowl on top of the marination. To it, add the ignited charcoal. Add butter or ghee and cover with the lid for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, discard the charcoal. In a pot, add 4 tablespoons of oil. To it, add all the marination. We're going to cook this on high flame for 5 minutes until the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. After 5 minutes, keep the gas on medium flame and cover with lid. We're going to cook this until the chicken gets completely cooked. Make sure to stir in between so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Lastly, adding 2 tablespoons of cream, chopped coriander leaves, and ginger julienne. Mix. I prefer mild to moderate smoky flavor, that's why I use the charcoal at the marination stage. If you prefer a strong smoky flavor, you can place the charcoal again at this stage. Delicious chicken Angara is ready. Serve it with naan, roti or rice and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.